Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a recipe that we all know and love. I'm going to be making some banana walnut bread, but with an Amoretti twist. I'm going to be using our natural spice extract. So this isn't spice in the sense of like spicy is gonna burn your tongue. This is like cardamom, nutmeg, clove, very nice, light, fragrant, delicious fall spices. With that being said, let's get going. Let's make some banana bread and give our spice extract a try in it. So the first step you're going to want to do is get a food processor, a blender, anything you have on hand, and we're going to blend up our bananas. So I have 5 bananas here. You want to make sure they're extra ripe. I'm just gonna put them in. And I'm gonna blend this once and then add the rest in. Easy as that. Let's add in the rest of our bananas here. Perfect. The banana portion here is done. So I'm just going to take our pulverized bananas and set it aside until we're ready for them again. Next, we need to cream our butter and our sugars together. So I'm just going to place this into my mixing bowl. I have some brown sugar and regular granulated white sugar. Okay, and let's just cream this together until it's nice and fluffy. Our butter and sugar is nice and creamed together. So next we are going to be adding in our eggs. You'll want to add these in one at a time and scrape the bowl down in between each egg. Just gonna scrape down the sides of my bowl. Now that our eggs are all incorporated, I'm going to be adding in my little secret ingredient here. Well, one of my secret ingredients, a little spiced rum. I think this adds a nice touch of flavor to the banana bread. It doesn't taste like rum, but it has those extra spices to it. It's really, really good. And next, I'm going to be adding in some vanilla. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of our Madagascar bourbon vanilla extract. This is a staple to have in your kitchen. This is very potent vanilla, and it does not contain any alcohol, so you don't have to worry about it baking off. And next, I'm going to add in the star of the show, our spice extract. I'm going to do 2.5 teaspoons of this. This recipe also makes 2 loaves of bread, so it's perfect for sharing with friends, family, saving some in the freezer for when you get a banana bread craving. So let's get this turned on. Okay, so now that that's mixed in, I'm just gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl, and we are going to add in our banana. And again, if I didn't mention it before, you wanna make sure you use very, very ripe bananas. If you don't have any on hand, there are some tricks. You can put it in the oven on a low temperature. That will help to ripen it quickly. One more mix, and then we add in our dry ingredients. So now it's time to start getting our dry ingredients incorporated. We do have one last wet ingredient. This is buttermilk. We are just going to rotate putting in dry and then this last wet ingredient. But before that, we need to mix together our baking soda and a little bit of salt. So give this a good mix, make sure it's all evenly dispersed. All right, we have some of the dry ingredients in. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of our buttermilk. Now some more of our flour. Okay, I'm just gonna dump in our walnuts, give it a super quick mix, and you're done. We're gonna put this into some pans and throw it into the oven. Okay, let's get this into some pans and pop it in the oven. So I'm just going to evenly divide this into our 2 pans here. I've lined these with parchment paper, and I've also oiled the pan, so once this is done and it's cooled, it's really easy to take out. Okay, I'm just going to spread this out just to make sure it's all even in the pan. All right, let's get these in the oven. So we made it through the waiting game of our banana bread baking, and then we had to wait again for it to cool down, but it is ready to slice into and give it a try. I am so excited. This baked for about 45 minutes, and the whole time my kitchen just smelled incredible. So I can only imagine how good it's gonna taste. It looks so nice and light and moist on the inside of this. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Literally the best banana bread I've ever had in my entire life, and I'm proud because I just made this. You can really taste that natural spice flavor in there, and it just melds really, really well with that sweet banana flavor and like that nice kind of savory flavor from the walnut. Incredible. I really hope that you get inspired by this, you get yourself some spice extract, and you give this a try at home because you will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you give it a try at home. If you did, make sure to let us know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. That way you never miss new recipes, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. Make sure to follow us on social media as well. You can find us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.